Ki paspupil jong Donbosco Techinal School Shillong kila rakhe ka jingdap shis snem jong Donbosco Techinal School kabade kawei ke skul ban ai jinghikai ki samla ki bapher khamtam bakin la ban ieng halaki jong ki kjat hakilat seng jam haka janmeit jong ka shipho tarik naiweing ki paspupil jong Katei ka shlem ai jing start hapo ka jingalam jong president uba Thomas kila rakhe kerpang ka jingdap shis snem jong Katei ka shlem deki program bapher haka bala wan ban shimbenta shidrhem deki paspupils ki bakuntop nadu uba Lou Majaw uba de unong ruai bapau ko Jylla ubala yo ban shimbenta shakaleng ka Katei ka jingroi bas ngautanat na uba George warjri rengkat uba Bindo Lanong bat kiwe kiri rangba ki bade ki paspupils jong kani ka shlem hagate ka janmeit lawan bandon rengkat ki bishop ki bakuntop nadu bishop PK George of MIAW Arunachal Pradesh bat bishop Rajendra of Katei Tamil Nadu baladon rengkat lang ki padar ki brodar ki paspupil rengkat ki samla ki badang puli mentah haba ai jingkran nakaliang jong bishop Rajendra Katei uloong ba ka Donbosco Techinal School Shillong kamdei tang kajaka ai jinghikai hynrei kadei ru kajaka ban ai ka jing shakri ban tip shaphang ka jinglong mensiem badru ka jing shakri na ka banta kumno ban kit ban ba na ka banta ka khia ka shan jo ka imlang ka sahlang bat tei ban bhaya ka
100 years of excellence, service and education are not just a testament of enduring spirit of Donbosco Technical School, but also a celebration of countless lives it has touched and transformed. This institution has not only been a crucible of knowledge, but also a forge of character and values. It has not only imparted skills, but also instilled in its students a sense of purpose and a commitment to serve the humanity. As a past pupil, I can attest to the transformative power of this school. It was here that I not only learned the technical skills in electronics and electricals, but also imbibed the values of religious discipline, compassion, and the importance of giving back to the society. The lesson I learned within these walls have stayed with me throughout my life and have guided me in my personal and pastoral life, that when I was here in the school and also as a bishop in the Diocese of Katei in Kanyakumari district. Therefore, the centenary celebration is not only a reflection of the rich history and enduring legacy of this institution, but also an opportunity to honor and felicitate all our esteemed past pupils who have made outstanding contribution to society. They not only excelled in their chosen field, but have also given back to the community, embodying the spirit of service and excellence in all the fields that they were learning here. Through the dedication, hard work, and unwavering commitment of their profession, the Salesian fathers, and especially the brothers, have become a source of inspiration to me at Donbosco Technical School. The exceptional education and values imparted by them have left an indelible mark on every student who have passed through this very great institution.
Forever young, may you stay. Forever young. May you grow up to be righteous. May you grow up to be true. May you always know the truth and see the light surrounding you. May you always be courageous stand upright and be strong. May you stay forever young. Forever young. Forever young. May you stay. An yai kai ta Snoten but fever is khamtam lay o hakapo janmeit aleno I o yafi ngangan sawang shao o ngan ap yafi asher news of on cloud Umnayusha Hava na abyafi Ale Sibai Shwa Banno Gasni O Clemafi Kadno Donut Gasngau Blau Marway Asser news of on cloud Sakanuka birthday But he it gums kawei What happening Lauba Shisha but fi Ngahun bansa
Hoi 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 go hoi go kumha kane kasngi ngiyak man centenary ieng hang ne man ta banya tho khana birya Centenary shisha le kaba dan buram ngin rakhe kenya ka halaki bon rukom Hoi go Hoi go La don iwe iba iba wan terwasola da poi pat aplau ya ime iwan kam kiao Hoi go Na 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 out of control hoto ko karke gol hoto ko karke gol सीटी बजा के बोल life हो out of control hoto ko karke gol hoto ko karke gol सीटी बजा के बोल
And so I'm crying one time when I'm lying in bed just to get it all out what's in my head, and I'm feeling a little peculiar. And I wake up in the morning and I step outside and I take a deep breath and I get real high and I scream at the top of my lungs, what's going on? I said, yeah, yeah. I say, hey, what's going on?